Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. If you use QuickBooks Online Advanced, you can set up recurring statements to automatically remind customers of their balances. This helps you keep customers up to date about what they owe or notify them of all the transactions you've had with them over a period of time. Let's learn how to set up a recurring monthly statement for customers. Select Workflows, Templates. Then, in the box labeled Send Recurring Statement to Customer, select Create. First, name the workflow. Then set up what you want QuickBooks to do and when to do it. QuickBooks can send 3 different types of statements. Balance forward statements tell customers how much they owe and show recent activity that affected their balance, like invoices and payments. Open item statements only show unpaid invoices and unapplied credits. They do not include applied payments or invoices that are marked as paid or closed. Transaction statements show nearly any activity, even if it didn't affect the customer's balance. Nonprofits frequently use this type of statement to summarize a donor's yearly contributions. Let's set up a recurring balance forward statement. Next, you choose how often to send statements and when you want QuickBooks to start sending them. You can even skip weeks or months if you need to. Let's send statements to customers monthly, on the 1st of every month, and send off the first statements at the end of next month. Each statement picks up where the last one left off, so the end date for the first statement will be the starting date for the second statement, and so on. QuickBooks uses email to deliver the statements. You can edit that email here. If you want to send a statement to all of your customers, leave this section blank. Or if you only want to send statements to specific customers, choose them from the list. Once you're done, select Save and Enable. If you go to My Workflows, you'll see your new statement workflow and you can edit or delete it at any time. Note that you can have multiple statement workflows enabled at the same time. Now you're ready to set up your own recurring statements to customers.